In this video, I'll show you how to breed villagers in Minecraft. If you're new to the channel, please go down below. Please go down below and hit the subscribe button, and once you have subscribed, please go and leave a like as well. I really do appreciate it. So as you can see, I'm going to come down into here, and there is the baby villager. So yeah, I'm showing you the full steps. Do make sure you watch the full video as well, and without any further ado, let's go and get into this. Now let's go and get straight into this. So the first thing you want to do is of course find two villagers. So in this example, I've just got two here, but you're more likely going to be doing this in say an actual village in Minecraft. So yeah, so the first thing you want to do is actually go and get some beds. So I'm on creative, so I'm just going to go and get a few. But you want to go and get 3 beds, okay? So place 3 down here. So 1, 2, 3. 2 for the existing villagers, and then you need the 3rd one for the new baby villager. So once you've got all these lined up, the next thing you want to do is you need to go and ensure you fed the villagers. So I'm going to go and put on screen some of the things you can go and give them. They include 3 bits of bread or 12 carrots, and that's each. So in this example, I'm going to go and do 12 carrots. So I'm going to get some carrots right now, and I'm going to go and get 64. And then I'm going to give them 12 each. So I'm going to drop 12 here, and then I'm going to go and drop another 12 as well. So as you can see, the villagers are now slowly picking them up, and they've now fully picked those up. So then all you want to do is wait back, and in a minute, as you can see, they're going to then go up to each other, and you're going to go and see some hearts hopefully in a minute if everything goes well. And guys, what worked well as well I found was moving away, and as you can see then hearts will start to appear, and there'll be quite a lot of hearts, and then after a while a baby villager is going to spawn in just like so. And then when you go and set the time to night, so if I do time set night, they're actually all going to go into bed, which is really cool as well, and they all go into bed. But guys, that's literally today's video. If you found it useful, please go down below and hit that subscribe button, leave a like for more content just like this and more useful tutorials. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.